Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I'm going to unbox the Sony HX99 compact zoom camera. It has a 30 times zoom, and this kind of camera, well, some people say that these kind of cameras no longer have a future because of the smartphone with very good cameras. Personally, I still prefer these kind of cameras over a smartphone camera. And unfortunately, it might be true that they will die out soon because, for instance, the Canon compact zoom camera with 40 times zoom, it's already out of stock in the Netherlands. And yeah, this camera is, I think it was launched in 2018 and they haven't released any new version after that. So, but let's start the unboxing. So it has 30 times zoom, although I think nowadays they advertise it as 28 times zoom. 18 megapixel sensor. Yeah, here you can see 24 to 720 millimeter. And that is 35 millimeter equivalent. And it can record 4K video, but only up to 5 minutes. And I also have the Sony HX50V, and that one can only use 32 gigabyte micro SD cards, and because this camera needs a faster micro SD card, and it also can use the more modern micro SD cards. So in theory, let's just say up to 2 terabytes, but I'm not really sure if you can buy them already. So lots of paperwork, manual, I guess. Okay. And yeah, actually has a USB charger. It's a lanyard. And a micro USB cable for charging. And this is the camera itself. I'm not really sure if there's anything here. Yes, there's something else. Oh, that's the battery. Okay. Is there anything else? No, that's it. So it is more compact than compared to the HX50V. The HX50V is quite a bit thicker and also slightly higher. And this one only has a flash, but it does have a hot shoe. And this one has a viewfinder and a flash. And they got rid of the GPS sensor. So if you want to have the GPS coordinates in your photos, you can make a connection with your smartphone and then use the GPS of your smartphone. So there's also micro HDMI on the bottom. This is for a tripod connection. So this is to pop up the viewfinder. Yeah, so probably you can use NFC to connect easily to Wi-Fi. For instance, directly to your phone, on, off, zoom. This is the shutter. And also the program selector. There's a couple of buttons. This is dedicated movie button. A scroll wheel. Also for navigation. And actually this is the reason why I bought a new one, because this scroll wheel, it got way too sensitive that I got for, well, at least for me it felt like ghost touches. So because of that I wanted to have a new one. So let's see. Okay, like this. Okay, English. Oh, not now, just start. So, okay, starts quite quickly. So this is how you pop up the viewfinder, and it also blocks the normal display. Okay. And you can also flip up the display, and it's also touch sensitive, so you can use this to set a focus point. And this here you can put in the lanyard. Well, I think I will just try to use a needle or something to put it in. And yeah, here is the micro USB port for charging. So, like I said, this might be the last generation, and yeah, I really would appreciate it if they would refresh this model at some point, but I have my doubts about it. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.